Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my gamified language learning module entitled Quest for Wordia. This is designed for grade 9 ASL learners and focuses on enhancing vocabulary acquisition through game-based strategies, storytelling, and digital tools. This is the module overview. Quest for Wordia is a 5-day adventure where students take on the rules of vocabulary guardians. They complete daily quests using vocabulary-focused tasks while earning XP, unlocking levels, and collecting badges. The module uses storytelling, visual learning, and technology to turn learning into a fantasy quest. Our target learners. This module is for grade 9 ESL learners who are mostly visual kinesthetic. They enjoy interactive and movement-based learning. Based on their interests, I've included elements from their favorite game genres, adventure, puzzle, and battle games. They also have access to Android devices with internet, which allows us to integrate a variety of tools. Here are the learning objectives. There are four objectives. First, students will define and use 30 vocabulary words in context. Second, they will match words with synonyms and antonyms and context clues. Third, they'll collaborate to complete written and spoken tasks. And finally, they will reflect on their progress in a gamified journal. Now, let's start from the day one, the awakening. Day 1 sets the stage. Students are introduced to the storyline of Wordia and are assigned fantasy rules like synonym sorcerer or context seeker using Wheel of Names. They receive a vocabulary school and complete a word map with synonyms, images, and sample sentences. We then launch a Kahoot quiz to check their initial vocabulary understanding where students earn XP. On day 2, this is what we call the synonym swamp showdown. On day 2, the focus is on synonyms. Students battle through a word wall game where they match words to their synonyms. Then, they write a short dialogue using vocabulary pairs and act it out in character. This integrates points, badges, and team quest, and students can earn the synonym sorcerer badge. Day 3 dives into antonyms. Students complete a word wall game, then write a short battle journal describing a fantasy scene using antonyms pairs. They also do a hero versus villain role play on Flipgrid using opposing vocabulary. All of these tasks help reinforce meaning through performance and peer feedback. Day 4 is all about using context clues. Students read a short narrative, passages, and infer word meanings based on clues. They then record a Flipgrid vlog explaining their guesses and complete a drag and drop puzzle on Google Slides. They can earn the Context Climber badge for solving clues correctly. The final day is the boss battle. Students take a comprehensive Kahoot quiz covering all vocabulary. Then, they write a short story using at least 10 of the vocabulary words. Lastly, they reflect on their experience in their learning journal. This wraps up their quest as they earn final XP and badges like Fluency Guardian or Creative Commander. Let's go to the assessment plan. This is the formative assessment. Formative assessments include Kahoot quizzes, vocabulary maps, word wall games, and flip grade tasks. Students earn XP and level up through consistent participation and performance. These assessments allow me to monitor their progress daily and give feedback in real time. Now, this is the summative assessment. Summative tasks include the final boss quiz, the creative story school, and the journal reflection. These assess vocabulary mastery, application, and personal growth. Gamified tools like XP tracking and badge awards make assessment motivating and meaningful. And technology integration. The tools used include Kahoot, WordWall, Flipgrid, Google Docs, and Slides, and optional Canva for story design. These tools are selected because they're mobile friendly, engaging, and encourage creativity, collaboration, and instantly feedback, all essential in gamified learning. Why gamification works? Gamification boosts engagement, motivation, and purpose. Instead of just completing exercises, students are completing missions, progressing through levels, earning badges, and seeing their achievements keeps them invested in the learning process. This module is built around learners' interests, needs, and strengths. Game mechanics are not just for fun, they are purposeful. They support motivation, reflection, and mastery. The module promotes both extrinsic and intrinsic motivation while addressing potential distractions by trying all game elements to academic outcomes. In the end, Quest for Wordia turns vocabulary learning into an immersive, effective, and fun experience.